dispersal up between rivals to make 4 across the track. Justin O's in front, down at the rail, it's Big Earl. Le Voyager in second. Now Dispersal sits just off the leaders in third. On the outside in fourth, it's Brujo. Sunday Silence is fifth, 5 lengths off of the leader as they head into the first turn. Dale's Shotgun, the longest shot on the board, saves ground along the rail. Harmony Creek and Awe-Inspiring is last of all. It's Big Earl by a half length. Le Voyager inching closer in second on the outside. That's Dispersal, a length and a half off the leaders in third. And Sunday Silence is very close, about 3 lengths off of the pace now, as Le Voyager takes command ahead in front. Big Earl is second. Dispersal still races outside. He's about 3 wide. Has been that way the whole trip so far. And Sunday Silence is very close, but appears boxed in. Has to look for room, and Sunday Silence now moves into second. Le Voyager, Sunday Silence, Dispersal still caught wide. Big Earl fades a bit in fourth. Dale Shotgun is fifth. Harmony Creek is next. And then it's Awe-Inspiring and Brujo. The field is less than 8 lengths apart as they pass the 3/8 pole. And that's Sunday Silence with a lead. Dispersal right there on the outside to test him today. Moving up 4 wide. Awe-Inspiring makes a move. And there's Brujo trying to upset on the outside. Big Earl moves off the rail and is coming back for more. Down the stretch in the Super Derby. And Sunday Silence gains daylight on the field at the 8th pole. On the far outside, Awe-Inspiring. Big Earl is still very game, battling for second with Dispersal. Sunday Silence at the 16th pole. He's all business. Super Derby Sunday belongs to Sunday Silence. And as they cross the wire, the time 2:03, flat for the mile and a quarter. 2:03 and 1.
2ヶ月前の敗戦の記憶を